Hi everyone, Mitchell from Learn to Flourish here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about transformation stories and testimonial videos. How to record them, what they are, the difference between the two, how to go approach asking your customers or clients, and just how to get started on the whole testimonial recording business so you can create some great testimonial videos for your company. So first thing, what are testimonial videos? Testimonial videos are statements or quotes that a customer or a client makes about your company and how it positively benefited them. Now, transformation stories are a little bit different. So that is how a customer that has gone through or purchased your product or went through your service, how that changed their lives for the better, the experience that they got, how their lives changed positively from your product or service. So both videos should also include a call to action at the end, whether it's testimonial or transformation stories. But let's get into how you record a testimonial. So first thing you got to do, number one thing, is ask. You're not going to get testimonial if you don't ask your customer or client. So ask them and set up a time for you guys to record your video testimonial. It's best to ask for a video testimonial, even if they feel uncomfortable on camera. You can always use your phone on like a voice recorder app to record the audio of that testimonial. And it's mostly because written's great, and you can use the written transcribed audio content. So like say during your testimonial you're recording, you're able to take snippets or statements that they made in the recording and convert that into written testimonials. However, if you ask them to provide a written testimonial, it's not that they're gonna completely push it off to the side and forget about it, but often they're going to want to put all that effort into making that written testimonial perfect. So they'll wait for a day where they're not super busy, and when does that happen? Everyone's always super busy all the time. So it's not that they don't want to, it's just that it can be forgotten about and pushed off and delayed. So it's just best set up a time to record. If you're uncomfortable, you can just do an audio recording and get the testimonial that way. And it's always best to ask open-ended questions. So don't ask a question they just have to say yes or no to. So get them to really explain, and it'll help get out all that great information that you can use in a testimonial. So now let's talk about transformation stories. So transformation stories, it's a story, so you got to tell one. So it often starts at a high note, where they are right now, how great their life is because of this service or product that they went through or purchased. So their high note, they talk about, yeah, it's all great, and then they got to dip down, but before my low point, I was at this point in my life, and the troubles I've been having, the problems, it's been not going so well for me. And then I met them, or I found their product or service, and then list all the benefits on how it positively impacted them. So for example, it could be like a Weight Watchers program. Here I am now, I feel great, but before I weighed like 400 pounds, and then I met this weight watching program, and now I lost 200 pounds, and my life is great, but I can now do this and that. So you want to end on that ultimate high note and leave the audience thinking, wow, that was great. This is where they were before, and now I kind of want to go through the exact same thing. I have the same problems, and now I kind of want to try that business, product, or service because of that person's story. So yeah, honesty is the best policy with this. People can tell the truth. You do want to guide them on the flow of the story, on how the transformation story goes, but you don't want to tell them what to say. In post and editing, when you have this all recorded, you can, of course, cut and paste and create that narrative of that transformation story. So yeah, that's all there really is to creating your own testimonial and transformation story. Be sure to ask. Get it in video or audio format that you can later choose to make a video of it or turn it into written content for your testimonials or transformation stories. Ask open-ended questions and make sure that honesty is best policy. Don't tell them what to say. Get them to speak from their heart. And if you're doing a lot of the audio and video recording on your phone, and you just want, instead of converting it to the computer, and you want to edit your testimonial videos on your phone, in the description I provided some free InShot tutorials. InShot is a video editing app that is available on both Android and iPhone devices that you can just download for free, and you can edit your videos to there. So yeah, I provided some tutorials down below that you can check out, so you can move forward on creating those testimonial or transformation story videos for your company. So hope you enjoy this video and learn something that you can use, and hope to see you guys next week. Wish you inspiration, innovation, and continuous learning.